You guys, I think I've done it. Here on the side of the road, I have successfully fixed my audio. So now we're going to do some actual vlogging of the moto sort. I'm excited. Now we're gonna ride. Alright, so now that you can hear me, and we can hang out, we can talk, and I can show you around Kentucky and Ohio and Indiana, and we can get drunk and get ride our motorcycles sober and just have a grand old time. It's going to be so fun. I've been doing this for like 2 months and I am now audible. I'm going to take it slow because I have never been on this road before. But it seems a little windy, and the name of it is literally Zigzag. That's a pretty little creek. Guys, I'm so excited. This is so exciting because you can now hear me speak, and here we go. Where should we get gas? Probably at Kroger because of my fuel points. Lots of fun to be had. Somebody in my premiere I had the other day when I was doing my helmet setup said he would watch me cook bacon. If you would like to watch me cook bacon, give me a holla. I've got bacon thawed out that needs to be cooked. We could call it breakfast with the father. Father breakfast. If you would like to have breakfast with father, leave a comment down below. Rev Sanity, my purchase is dependent on you. He's talking about this audio. So, go follow Rev Sanity, like you already don't. What a famous lad he is. He's doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's a GoPro Hero 9 Black, which I have mounted right here on my handlebars. What I love about this camera is the mounting that's built in. You don't have to have a case or anything. What I don't love about this camera is if you put a mic adapter to it, you have to leave the battery door open. That's my only complaint. Let that guy over, you dill hole. Come on. Oh, you shithead. God. Anyway, GoPro Hero 9 Black, Rev Sanity 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I think it's like a 5-pack of SD cards coming with it. And what else was there? There's another thing that's being thrown in with it. I'm sorry, I can't remember it. So go follow Rev Sanity. Keep up with what he's doing. He's got like less than 300 subscribers to go. And then he will be doing his big giveaway. So go check that out. That'll be fun. I'm not that popular, so I'm not giving you a GoPro. I will give you stickers. You want stickers? I got them, and they're free. But right now we're gonna get gas. Turn down a little bit. We're gonna go back up. I'm gonna put testing. I'm going to put some electrical tape or something over that so it'll stay where I want it. I hope you can hear me fine. I think you can because I've been listening every time I stop because I'm nervous that my audio is not going to turn out because it has been such a struggle. But I think we're there, friends. I think we are there. Let's do it because I'm fast. I'm real fast. Cool! Woo! I've been going on some awesome rides, and my audio has just been shit. Terrible. Unusable. So, what is today? Today's Tuesday. So Friday, I went out, I did some testing, and I had the, let's see. We're gonna give you a rundown of my journey to usable audio. Let's do that. Don't pull out your wiener. Oh, I'll explain that later. I'm not telling you to pull out your wiener. Please don't pull out your wiener. I'll get into that later. Anyway, Friday, I had the mic plugged into my GoPro here on my helmet, and I had the purple Panda Mic tucked right here under this, like right under my chin, kind of into my beard a little. That place is really good. Granny's Garden, hit them up. So good. They like, it's all fresh food. Like, they have a little greenhouse. It's all fresh, farm fresh, or garden fresh, because it's Granny's Garden. I keep getting sidetracked. All right, serious time. Oh, come on, it's a roundabout. Do you not know what you're doing? Do it. Do it. Nobody's even coming. Do it. Do it now, stupid idiot. Okay, Friday was a really cool ride because there was, let's see, I saw a Ferrari. The one in my helmet camera's on me. And then I thought it was a German Shepherd doggy. What turned out to be a massive, hey, stupid birds, yell at me, a massive coyote. And then I went out Saturday. Yeah, I woke up Saturday because I worked the night shift. And I woke up Saturday and still unusable. Nothing really happened on that ride, but here's a clip from it anyway, with my terrible audio. Okay, and then, let's see, yesterday, I went out, oh crap, I can't get out. I can't get out, I'm stuck. Yesterday I went out, oh, I saw a Lamborghini yesterday. I used to go to summer camp here, and they used to have a giant blob, and you would jump on it and like sling someone else off of it. Oh, that was cool. And then you had kayaks and stuff, and we would ride all the way to that corner and smoke with cigarettes. I'm not telling you that. It's just what we did. Halt thee, winged friends! What was I saying? Lamborghini! I thought I was going to have good audio. That was all with the purple Panda mic, which is a good mic if your bike isn't louder than an aeroplane, but my bike is louder than an aeroplane. So I got the idea from Miss One Down Gene Up to use this because she has very good audio, but I was also nervous because look at the creek, because her bike's a lot quieter than mine. But I figured, you know, it's worth a shot. It's, you know, $25, whatever. We'll try it. And also the Zoom H1N Recorder, which is in my pocket here. So I'm recording separate audio, and then I have to sync it up, you know, do the clappy claps. So this is the result. We will see how much I can touch it up, or if I need to touch it up. When I get home, put it on the MacBook and the TV. Don't walk out in front of me, giant headphone wearing thing. Okay, so what are we doing? We're doing 55, and we'll see how I sound. Hopefully pretty good. So that's my audio setup right now. On my helmet, I have my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I don't have my 9 on there just because the auto stabilization, sometimes it gets to be too much, and it's like it's moving at a weird, I don't know, it like moves on its own. It makes the picture kind of weird. Like when I was doing donuts in a parking lot, I had my 9 on my rear view mirror, or like behind it, and it was making the picture, like it was turning, when my Jeep was turning one way, and then the camera would turn the other way, and it was kind of weird, I don't know. So that's why that one's just stationary on the handlebars. You could probably turn that off. I don't know how, I have no idea what I'm doing if that's not obvious. I know how to ride a motorcycle, so good enough for me. Hathaway. So this is the road that I called Rev Sanity out on for being a wuss. I went that way, but this nice turn signal, dipshit. Asshole. That's a house. Goatee boys. Look at the little goatees on the sheepies. I like it. And there's turkeys for sale. You want to buy a turkey? That's not a turkey, that's a horse. Let's go fast. I like it. I like to go fast. So let's see how we do. Let's see. We're doing 80. Let's see how the sound is now. 70. Oh wow, I slowed down real quick because of the turn. Do you see? Let's go fast again with high RPMs. What's the RPMs here? 46, 4,500, 75 MPHs, MPEGAs, if you will. How do I sound? Have you all seen that commercial with Ron Burgundy and the Dodge Durango? It's 26 MPEGAs, MPEGAs. It gets 26 MPEGAs because, you know, miles per gallon, MPEGAs. Hey, look, can I offer you an MPEGA? Summer, can you hear me? I want you inside me in a non-sexual way. Here's a roundabout. Let's. What if I go to that light, it never turns because it doesn't pick up the weight of my bike? See, this is how you roundabout people. You just go. You just frickin' go. And you give her a second gear is what you do. And then you just frickin' go. The wind is whistling through my pores. SpongeBob. 35? Heck with that. I'm gonna do 70. But there's a turn, so let's slow down. And then we're gonna do 70. And then 70. Don't pull out your wiener instead. I beg you. Just pull out your wiener. Thank you. Oh, I never explained that. So, this guy was going to pull out in front of me the other day, and I was like, no, don't pull it out. And then I realized, I was like, that sounded like he's going to pull out his wiener. And I was like, don't pull out your wiener, or your car. I'd rather you don't pull out either of them, but if you have to make a choice, just pull out your wiener. I don't want to see your wiener, but I guess, buddy, if you have to do one, go ahead and whip that thing out. Instead of, like, killing me with your car. Nobody's ever died by getting a wiener, well, nobody's ever been killed by looking at a wiener before. So, I mean, instead of, like, killing me, if you just absolutely have to make that choice, just whip that thing out, man. I'll deal with it later. If you are new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, I love you. Oh, I should talk in like a podcast voice, or like a what's that guy on Parks and Rec, where he's in a sound studio? He says, "And with us today, Miss Leslie Knope. Leslie Knope, how do you feel about lesbian seagulls?" Well, Mr. So-and-so, I think lesbian seagulls are great. MPEGAs! Is this a gumball machine? No, it's a Dodge Durango! You know, if it was a nicer day, I would stop and, like, have an outside beer at an outside bar place, but it's not, so I won't. Tucson? Tucson? Daddy, come tuck us in. It's bedtime. Do it. Go, go, go! I like to do fast things. That's a house. Actually, I drive past this one every day. It's like a castle. I love it. You should see our Christmas decorations. If I could afford that, I would. And I would call it Casa de Father. Something. Castle Father. Oh. Oh. Nice turn signal. Man, people suck today. Anyway, I'm not going to show you guys where I live, so... if you enjoy me and my shenanigans and my singings and, you know, my motorcyclings, go ahead and subscribe to me. Wow. Hi. You're cute. Anyway, like, subscribe, come hang. I do a lot of fun stuff, and now I can document it with clear audio and video, and just, we're gonna, well, I'm going to be in Nashville April 23rd to the 25th. And then from there, I'm not telling you where I'm going. Just know it's going to be exciting. I have to put the bike on a trailer and take it somewhere that's not here. But I am inviting you to meet us in Nashville for my birthday. There should be a few people coming already. It's going to be lots of fun, lots of beer. Maybe we'll get in a fight. I hope not, but you know what? If it comes down to it, let's do it. Heck with it. Let's hash one out. Care for about, young squire. Anyway, I'm ending this video. Love you all. Bye-bye.